Hello, I'm Ray and welcome to Gardening Online. Today is Sunday, the 14th of January, and it's Valentine's Day. And it's early start, it's just after 7 o'clock and it's already turning up pretty light. So that is really good. But I may be in trouble being away on a Sunday morning. So anyway, let's get the fire going and get some warmth. So we came down last Sunday and we did a few bits, and I brought a few bits down today. We went to Tesco's to buy some bits for the wife, and we bought some compost. So they're selling compost bags, £4 or 2 for £6. So I managed to pick up a bag for £1.20. So I've just brought that down and we can do some bits with that. So let's get in the polytunnel and do some more potting up. It's amazing just how much warmth that little fire does. Just stood here and I've just noticed one of my random carnations has just started flowering. This has just been wild on the allotment plot. Very good. So this is our Bunyards Exhibition Broad beans. These are the ones we've done in the pot. You can see the roots are coming through, and these are the ones in the trays. We did 2 cells, 2 beans per cell, and every one of the beans has come through. So it's not too cold down here today, so I'm going to put these out in the garden, get them going. inches. These are great bulb planters, not just for bulbs, but for making holes for mini pot plants, mini pots. I quite often use the small pots, and this is ideal. So it's a bit sticky in here. So 9 inches hole, and in they go. So these were started around Christmas. The ones in the Polytunnel, if you're a past viewer, then you would have seen that the ones in the Polytunnel have just gone, well, they've just gone crazy. Just that little bit of warmth inside has got them going so much quicker. So 9 inches. So now this is making the start of my traditional allotment bed. And this is what I wanted to do to copy what my dad did. Sadly he died last year during the COVID, and this is a memory to my dad's allotment. So this is looking good. So good to get stuff in. So in the pots we've still got some plants, and as you can see these are quite grown, so I'm just going to split these up in their own individual sections, and they can just be still continually planted along. So we've not quite got enough for a whole row. Which is a bit of a shame, but we're not far off, so let's get those in. To be totally honest, I'm not a great fan on broad beans, but I do like the way they grow and the way that they send out runners from the bottom once established. So you could get 2 or 3 plants from the same root, and a lot of my allotment holders, they don't tend to do theirs very early, which is fine, but they are eating mine at Easter time, especially the ones in the tunnel, and I don't mind that at all. It's good to share. So here we go. That's just a couple short. That's so frustrating. Never mind. So there we go. I'm not going to water these now. Let's reduce some rain. We can actually feel the rain now, but it is supposed to rain. So there's our line of broad beans. So this is the stuff that I bought in Tesco's, and it's Levington's Essentials multi-purpose beds and borders, tubs and hanging baskets, feed for 4 weeks. So this bag was slightly damaged, and it was originally £4 and we got it for £1.48. So if you can't get to a garden centre, then maybe a Tesco's. I'm sure this was £4 for one bag, 2 bags for £6. But we'll have a look and see what it's like. I do need a sharpen. So let's have a look. We're going to do a bit of potting up. So it is a bit dry and a bit flaky. So we'll have a look and see how this works. Well, it did say the rain was going to come down, and it certainly is. But we're just going to follow about inside. So I've got these cauliflowers, and this is the all year round. So we're just going to pop some of these up. So I'm using this compost. It's really, really fluffy. Doesn't look great, to be honest. I'm just going to sow these seedlings into the compost. It's so dry. Not a great fan, but we'll continue. We'll do a few more of these. While it's raining. So today has been one of those days where you come out and you don't plan nothing, and I just randomly decide to put up a polytunnel frame, but the rain is pretty much consistent now. But we've cleared all this area. We're trying to work out this framework, but I think we just have to adapt it. Is what we want to do for our own netted tunnel. So this is it, just calling it a day. and it's time for our roast dinner. So as we can see, the rain is pretty much chucking it down now, so we're going to call it a day and head off home. So thank you very much for watching, and if you're new to my channel then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more videos. And have you been down your plot today? Let me know in the comments what you've been up to, and if you've sown any seeds or planted any plants, let me know, that'd be wonderful. So thank you very much. Time to find a break in the weather to get back to the car now. So thank you very much. Cheers.